Right, you've got any issues with the L322 air suspension? Let me try and get the light on for you. Right, that's your air pump there. Right, one of the problems can be this here. That's the silencer. Don't really need it because it don't really make that much noise anyway. But these get blocked, and when these get blocked, get condensation in them, alarm scale, whatever, a load of muck. When these get blocked, your air suspension will not kick in. You can leave that off. Can't really see down here. Does look a bit crap. Well, there's loads of white stuff on the end of there anyway. But you can leave it off and it'll fart a bit louder. But when you've got this down, you've got everything else, and it makes no difference whether it's not as loud as you think. But that can stop the thing from working. If it can't release the air, it'll come up with a fault every time. So give that a whirl.